So we're just in Smart Valeting UK's workshop today, just doing a few repairs on the vans, just to make it look a bit nicer. I noticed in one of our videos the wheel arches were starting to look a bit bad on the van. So we're just going to do a bit of a smart repair on this today, just using rattle cans, paints, nothing special, just to freshen it up a little bit. I'm down here today with my manager Nathan. He's going to be giving it a bit of a stage 1 mop and a bit of an hand polish just to freshen the paintwork up. You can also see that we've replaced the badges on the back door, we've got new wheel trims coming, and we've brought a few accessories for the front end.
Right, so today we're at the Smart Valeting workshop. We've recently had this van, which is actually my van, in for a major repair. The rear differential failed a couple of weeks ago, so that's been in for that to be replaced. So it is now pretty much ready for action again. So what we're doing today is we're just having it in the workshop to get rid of these rust patches. And as you can see from this panel I've polished here compared to the bottom panel and the rest of it, it's gone really faded due to the sun and just the age of it and how much it gets worked. So what we're doing today, like I say, we're getting rid of these rust patches either side, and we're going to give it a full machine polish and just basically give it another lease of life. Because obviously we're on the road all day cleaning, polishing cars, etc. We can't really be turning up in a dirty, faded looking van. So that is why we have booked the whole morning out today, me and Del, to get this van looking like a valeting van again. We've also installed this today, which is obviously just a bit of an accessory. It does also give us a bit of protection against stone chips and stuff like that. So like I say, just back to giving this van another lease of life. We do like to add a little accessory to it, as you can see with my beautiful curtain up there as well, and my beautiful coffee down here.
Whatever that is nowadays.
Looking after everyone.
Right, so now we've painted them little bits up, new wheel trims on, painted the rust bits on the bottom of there. They are only just a smart repair to freshen it up. We are going to get it booked into a body shop and be done properly. We've put a few new accessories on there. We do need a new number plate making. A little bit on the sill was done. Nathan's gone around the buffer and put a bit of a shine back on it. Again, the wheel trims and the wheel arch is now looking a bit fresher. He's had the new badge put on the back. which just completes the back door with the graphics. And give us a pip if you see us out on the road.